Yoga is an ancient practice that unites our body, mind and soul. It helps us in many ways. It improves our flexibility, strengthens our muscles and helps reduce stress. Practicing yoga every day improves our concentration. Yoga involves various postures called asana. This is the Garuda asana. It enhances balance and coordination. It also strengthens our muscles. This is the Chakrasana. It is done to improve our posture and to strengthen our spines and nerves. This is the Trikonasana. It is also known as Natarajasana. It promotes and strengthens various parts of our body and promotes overall balance. So children, by incorporating yoga in your daily routine, we can experience an improvement in our mental, physical and emotional health. So keep practicing yoga.